annual show of the learning curve. Thank you so much for all the patience, all the efforts that everybody has been putting in since the last 1 month. So it is not just the teachers, it is not just the children, but also the parents. जिन्होंने हमने जो टाइम स्लॉट पे बुलाया, रिहर्सल के लिए बच्चों को भेजा, हमने जब उनको दौड़ाया वो दौड़े. So it's a team effort and thank you so much for that. I just want to say a few things about the theme that we have here. So every year we do the annual show with a theme. This year the theme is legacy. We are talking about the legacy of Tatas. Now I'll switch over to Hindi because मेरी माँ मुझे घूर रही है from the first row. So I will have to start in Hindi because she makes it a point कि हिंदी में बोलो तो मुझे भी समझ में आएगा. तो हिंदी में बताना चाहूँगी हमारे थीम के बारे में. हमारी थीम है legacy and we are celebrating the legacy of the Tatas. Now बहुत बार हमको ये सवाल आता है दिमाग में कि जब हम legacy की बात करते हैं तो कॉमन लोग, हमारे जैसे कॉमन लोग कैसे लीगेसी छोड़ेंगे. हम सब तो टाटा बिरला नहीं बन सकते, बट मुझे लगता है कि भगवान ने हम सबको मौका दिया है लीगेसी, हमारी लीगेसी हमारे पीछे छोड़ने के लिए, और वो मौका दिया है हमको हमारे बच्चों के रूप में. तो अगर आप मुझे पूछो मेरी लीगेसी क्या है, मैं जाते समय क्या पीछे छोड़ के जाऊंगी, तो मैं मेरी बच्ची को इस दुनिया को लेके जा रही हूँ. She will serve the community in whatever way she can, right? आप सबके बच्चे, हमारे बच्चे इस दुनिया को आगे लेके जाएंगे. About others, but I'm a big die-hard fan of Tatas, and there are two things जो common है Tatas के और मेरे बीच में. पहली है I share my date of birth with Jahangir Ratanji Dadabhai Tata, the third chairperson of the Tata Group of Industries. The date is 29 July. Don't ask me the year. Okay. And the second connection that I have with Tatas is my daughter is a cabin crew with Air India, which now is taken care of by the Tatas. So something close to my heart, and of course the theme very close because मेरे बच्चे हैं. हम सब ने बहुत मेहनत करके इसको प्रिपेयर किया है. बच्चों को थोड़ा सा हेवी थीम समझाना मुश्किल होता है, बट हमारे बच्चों ने जस्टिस किया है with whatever we have taught them. And if you are wondering कि स्टेज पे यही औरत बोलने वाली है क्या start to end? No, we have a host. So I am here to introduce the host. And लंबा चौड़ा थोड़ा सा description है, तो उसके लिए मुझे phone use करना पड़ेगा. International speaker, master trainer, life coach, author, and an ex-banker. She is running her training venture by the name of Reeti Solutions and is a volunteer at the largest online moms community which is known as Unimo, Universe of Moms. She is also a certified master practitioner in NLP, certified career counselor, certified parenting coach and a yellow belt in Six Sigma. इतना मुझे नहीं पता था. She has authored 2 solo books, Life, A Beautiful Journey, a collection of poems, and Parenting by Millennials and Beyond, which is relevant for new age parenting along with 8 anthologies. Ritvika is passionate about human mind and mental health and constantly engages in creating awareness around the same. And there's a lot more. She has hosted a talk show on Instagram and Facebook for 2 years for Unimo, featuring teachers and trainers titled Talk to Teachers. She's a guest speaker for mental health and women empowerment on different platforms. She's awarded as the most intelligent head 2020 by Unimo. She's a visiting faculty at IBS Gurgaon for academic year 22-23. A lifelong learner, Ritvika ma'am believes that life is the biggest teacher. She loves to meet people and brings a positive transformation in their lives and helps them to achieve their true potential. So please welcome with the biggest round of applause Ritvika ma'am on the stage as your anchor for the day. I also want to point out one more thing. Last year Ritvika ma'am was in Delhi. Last year for our annual show she travelled from Delhi to Kalyan. She hosted the program and after that she took the Rajdhani back. So thank you so much Ritvika ma'am for always having my back.
Thank you so much Aarti ma'am. I was not expecting this by the way. And this also goes on to show if I have travelled all the way from Delhi last year only for this show, this talks about our relation, right? And this talks about how ma'am is a wonderful person because it all started with that one journey of being associated with her as a teacher लेकर आती है। पर आज की सुबह कुछ खास है क्योंकि आप सभी का साथ है। मैं ऋत्विका, आपकी होस्ट, आप सभी का तहे दिल से अभिनंदन करती हूँ पूरे लर्निंग कर्व कल्याण ईस्ट की तरफ से हमारे 5th एनुअल कॉन्सर्ट में। हर शुभ कार्य की शुरुआत दियों को प्रज्वलित करके होती है। So, may I please invite our guest of honor, Jennifer ma'am, Sonali ma'am, along with Lakshmi ma'am, Aarti ma'am's mother, Bhajan Das sir and Purnima ma'am, Piyush sir's parents, along with Kalpesh sir, Dipali ma'am, and Aarti sir, Piyush sir, and of course Ashia ma'am. Can we have all of you?
या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता।
Every performance is started with a lot of hope, anxiety, anticipation, and the wish that all goes well. Every aram is born out of the womb of nervousness. But when your intentions are good and your efforts are real, it becomes a Shubharam. As you can see amidst the crowd, all these sassy divas, right, who are here before you to present Shubharam on the show. Please welcome with a great round of applause, Purnima, Varsha Mungare, Maya Pulkar, Sujata Kase, Amita Bharte, Veena Bose, Deval Singh, Naina, Nanda, Rashika, Rohini, Savita, Varsha and Vishakha. तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए. Let it be till the time they are reaching the stage. They deserve a big, big round of applause. We have all the sassy divas running their way through the stage. शुरुआत ऑफिशियली करते हैं। थीम क्या है हमारे शो का आज? टाटा सुनाई दिया मुझे फाइनली, और एक जगह से लेगेसी सुनाई दिया, बाकी कोई खाना वाना खा के नहीं आया है, सब भूखे पेट बैठे हुए अनफॉर्चुनेटली, राइट? ऑफ कोर्स द लेगेसी ऑफ टाटास, एंड आई थिंक इट्स नॉट जस्ट आरती मैम हियर हु सेड दैट शी इज अ बिग फैन. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर बिग फैन ऑफ टाटास हियर? कैन आई सी? Almost all of us, right? Almost all of us. That is their legacy. But before we move on to that, and before we start the evening with the wonderful performances of our children, here I would like to introduce and welcome our guest of honor for all of you. And today, the first guest that I'm going to invite is, I'm really delighted to introduce Jennifer ma'am, a seasoned professional with extensive experience in education management and operations. Over the years, Jennifer ma'am has successfully led various teams and initiatives across organizations such as Victor High School, Eager, Wavers Preschool, Clay BKC. She is also a founder member of DPS. Ma'am, I'm a dipsite myself, right? Her expertise spans sales and marketing, operation management, regulatory compliance, team coaching, and IT system implementation. Having managed everything from mainstream school to preschools, Jennifer ma'am is known for enhancing customer experiences, driving productivity, and fostering growth within the teams. With a deep understanding of industry trends and a proven track record in leadership, she has significantly contributed to the success of each organization she has worked with. We welcome Jennifer ma'am. Ma'am, can you please have on stage? I would like to invite Sonali ma'am, an educator since past 35 years. She holds an MSc in Organic Chemistry, a subject that I dreaded in the school, and B.Ed in Guidance and Counseling degrees, with a silver medal in MSc with over 30 plus years in teaching experience. Sonali ma'am has taught subjects like physics, chemistry, bio, math, science and English up to the high school level and chemistry at junior college level. Sonali ma'am has been teaching chemistry for the past 20 plus years in India and in the Gulf, latest being Indian School of Market. She has served as an HOD of the Science Department and coordinator in a reputed schools, has been a ferocious reader and a prolific writer. She has educated many elocutions, debates, speeches and writing competitions at school, college and Toastmaster club levels. Wow. She is certified in English communication by Sabira Merchant and has earned several awards through Toastmasters International Public Speaking Organization. जिन लोगों को नहीं पता है, टोस्टमास्टर हमारे यहाँ पर एक बहुत ही बड़ा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जहाँ पर पब्लिक स्पीकिंग का, जिसको हम लोग हाईएस्ट स्टैंडर्ड्स मानते हैं. She was awarded the country winner award in the category of impromptu speeches and prepared speeches subsequently, representing the country of Oman on an international stage in Dubai. She co-founded the travel company Samsona Getaways, which specializes in experiential tourism. During the COVID pandemic, she launched her own online English communication skill classes under the brand name of Impressions and Expressions. Drawing on her extensive experience and input from various sources, she has developed customized modules to meet the general need of learners spreading over a vast canvas of housewives, entrepreneurs, small business owners, etc., utilizing her expertise from Toastmasters. She has helped clients ranging from CAs, doctors, YouTubers, housewife beauticians, teachers, software engineers, HRs, call center executive. Our list is long to attend their English communication skill enhancement course. She enjoys reading, writing, dancing and indulging in nature. She feels blessed to have been able to cater to all these requirements. Can we have a big round of applause for both our guests of honor? And may I please request Aarti ma'am to facilitate. Can we have on stage Arsha ma'am? Sonali ma'am and Arsha ma'am, please facilitate Jennifer ma'am. Can we have a bigger round of applause, everybody? Thank you so much. And I would like both of you to please say a few words before we let you go down.
What do I say? Good morning. Good morning, everybody. I can't hear the voices. Good morning, everybody. So it's a big pleasure and honor for me to be here today morning. So I love the preschool. Guys, I'm fans of you. Because the amount of effort a parent puts in in an early childhood care, that as we call it, is phenomenal. So as we all know, home is the first school. Everyone agree? I didn't hear everyone. Yes, that's right. Home is the first school. And from home, the child goes outside, getting introduced into an outside world. So we need a stepping stone, right, before you come to big school or mainstream school. So that's where Learning Curve Preschool, under the guidance of Aarti ma'am, comes to play. You all have experienced the changes in your children, right? पहले तो नहीं बोलता था, ये कौन सा वर्ड सीख के आया है? तो मम्मी पापा से पूछते, कभी बोला क्या ये आपने इसको? तो बच्चे की आवाज आएगी कि टीचर ने बताया है, isn't it? So that baby of yours, from learning to walk, from accomplishing all the milestones. Yes, what are the milestones? Can my baby jump? But as a parent, you may not know it's a milestone, right? So that's how important a role the preschool, such as Learning Curve, under Aarti ma'am's guidance, plays in your life. So the preschool sets the precedence for the child into the big world outside. And we are so honored to be having a collaboration and waiting eagerly for these children to join us at Singhania. So we are open for admissions, as you know. All your admission queries, etc. will come through Aarti ma'am. She will give you a reference letter. Okay, and please do come, at least come. We will help you to understand boards, etc. So kudos to the young parents and all the parents of these wonderful children. I know you're getting bored of me. Yeah, I can see it. But yeah, we all want to see the children, so as you. So have a great time and God bless each one of you, especially your little children. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, everyone. And कोई बोर नहीं हुआ है, ठीक है? I know they are all excited अपने बच्चों के performance के लिए, but ये भी हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. Thank you for sharing your wisdom. Sonali ma'am, can we please have you?
A very, very good morning to one and all present here today. Welcome to this beautiful vista that the students are going to present before you. I am Mrs. Sonali Kode. I am head of school for Singhania School, Kalyan. As we talk about legacy, you know, today the theme is legacy. The legacy of the Tatas, the Birlas. Let me also tell you about the legacy of Singhanias. We are 54 years into the field of education. When we say education, what do we mean by education? Is it just the books? Is it just the sports that we are talking about? No. It is the holistic development of an individual. Believe you me, when you educate your child in a good school, not a reputed, mind you, not just a reputed school, a good school, then you not just educate a child, you educate the family. Many times your children will come home and tell you things which you never knew, not just by means of words, but by means of their actions. So we at Singhanias, we believe in making global citizens. We do not create citizens just for making them doctors or engineers. Those days are gone. अब तो बाहर इतने सारे फील्ड्स हैं कि आपको और हमको तो पता भी नहीं है. आपके बच्चे आके बताते हैं, मेरे बच्चे मुझे आके बताते हैं कि मामा ये फील्ड है, ये फील्ड है, ऐसा होता है. So then you learn with your kids, and we create such students who will teach you at home. I'm sorry to say that, yeah. And we do want such kids, right? So that is what we do at Singhanias. All the introduction that was read out of me, I still don't believe it's me, because every day I'm growing, I'm learning something new. I'm stepping into a new role, and I learn something from there. I learn from my colleagues. I learn from girls who are 27 years old who are admission counselors, how they counsel. I learn from my seniors. I learn from everyone. I learn from these kids who perform on stage. I learn from these gorgeous ladies who perform this beautiful dance just now. To have that courage to stand here and do something. That is what is the Singanias, how our students stand out, how we prepare them to face the world. And that is what we do here. I am very grateful to Ms. Aarti, very privileged that she has invited us here. Being a Sunday, and we are working on Sundays, we work 7 days a week. So that is another thing about Singanias, we work 7 days a week. Okay, there is no weekend for us. And we love it. We love coming back to this family too. Thank you, Ms. Aarti, for running this wonderful show, for having such a beautiful parent turnout, for having such wonderful teachers, and have a wonderful, wonderful day watching your kids performance. Thank you. Pleasure to you.
Thank you so much, Sonali ma'am. Thank you so much, Jennifer ma'am. Can we have a big round of applause हमारे दोनों guest performers के लिए? I think बहुत ही प्यारी बात मैम ने कह दी. हमें अपने बच्चों से सीखना जरूरी है. और अभी का समय यही है कि हमें हमारे बच्चे बहुत कुछ सिखा देते हैं. क्या सब बात से सहमत हैं? बच्चों से सीखने मिलता है? Super. So now welcome to this evening, जहाँ पे the day where we are celebrating the unparalleled legacy of Tata Group. आज हम आपको लेके जाने वाले हैं through the time, right? जहाँ पर हम उनके vision, innovation और humanity जो हमारे टाटा लीडर्स ने मॉडर्न इंडिया को शेप करने के लिए किया है उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. Trust me, I don't think words can ever do justice to tell what Tatas have done for our country. The name Tata is synonymous with, जब हम टाटा बोलते हैं हमारे दिमाग में क्या आता है? Trust. Thank you so much. Trust, भरोसा, right? And its effort to make India the global name. We are indeed blessed to be born in the same era as Tatas and witness the heroism of these rock stars. And so, here we have made a small effort with all our tiny toddlers to showcase the vision and legacy of Tatas. Are you all ready for the first act? Yes? नहीं तैयार हो, बच्चे नहीं आएंगे जब तक जोर से yes नहीं होगा. Perfect. 150 years ago, there was a man named Jamshedji Tata who dreamed big for India. वो चाहते थे इंडिया के लिए स्टील बनाना ताकि वो ब्रिज बनाए, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ताकि घरों में रोशनियां आए और स्कूल्स ताकि बच्चों को पढ़ा पाए. Jamshedji worked hard to make these dreams come true, starting the Tata Group over 150 years ago. He believed that India could become strong and self-reliant. His dream helped build our country into what it is today. So let's go back in time and see how Jamshedji's vision started the amazing Tata journey. I want all of you to please put your hands together and welcome our kids of Junior KG Batch 1 जो आकर हमें present करेंगे vision of Jamshedji Tata sir who laid down the foundation for the unprecedented growth of India. Can we have all our little performers on stage? And because we are dealing with the tiny toddlers, so हमें पता है nature's call कभी भी आ सकता है. तो हमारे कुछ performers are busy, so all the parents you will have to wait little bit. मैम ऐसे शर्माइए मत, अभी बच्चे हैं, हम कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते हैं ना. So we are just going to wait for a minute so that our kids are back. वो प्रेशर में परफॉर्मेंस नहीं हो पाएगा, right? So we want to have them that space and let's wait for them while they are here. In the meantime.
No, that's all.
विश्वास था कि हमें भारत को हर एक के लिए बेहतर बनाना है. He was like a builder, creating a stronger, happier country. उन्होंने बिग स्टील फैक्ट्री बनाई जिससे भारत को स्ट्रेंथ मिला बढ़ने के लिए. And let's see how his hard work and love for India helped shape the Tata legacy. We welcome our nursery morning batch kids. Morning batch, are you ready? Come. To step forward to show the dam of this great man through their song, which showcases how steel, or popularly known as ispat factories set up by the Tatas, put India in the foreground. We have on stage with us, come, Jian, Sarangi, Shlok, Kasturi, Sneha, Shravan, and Agastya. All the builders, we deserve a bigger round of applause, everybody. Yay! Thank you so much. Can we give a big round of applause for all the individuals? दमदार परफॉर्मेंस था कि नहीं? See, this is what happens when they get the limelight, okay? कोई नहीं छोड़ना चाहता, अभी क्या कर सकते? Let's continue the journey. आप सभी से पूछना चाहूंगी, जब भी इंडिया का फ्लैग ओलंपिक्स में फहराता है, ठीक है, या जब भी हमारा नेशनल एंथम बजता है बिकॉज समबडी हैज वन अ मेडल, हमें कैसा महसूस होता है? वी फील सो गुड, राइट? हमारी छाती फूल जाती है, भले हमने कुछ नहीं किया, हम घर में बैठ के देख रहे हैं, बट वी फील सो हैप्पी, वी फील सो इलेटेड. बट डू वी नो पहली बार इंडिया को ओलंपिक्स तक किसने पहुंचाने में मदद की थी? The same builder we talked about, Dorabji Tata. He was not just a builder, but also someone who contributed in the sports of our country. जिन्होंने भारत को पहली बार ओलंपिक्स तक पहुंचाने में मदद की थी. और आज हम सभी इतने वर्षों के बाद जानते हैं कि भारत ओलंपिक्स में हर साल धीरे धीरे बेहतर पे बेहतर प्रदर्शन करता आ रहा है. And to show this spirit of Dorabji Tata, we have the next batch of nursery coming in front of us with their Chak De performance, and we have Malhan, Kaira, Shrinit, Shreyans, Chaturashri, Ranpise and Nalaude. Agastya and Riyansh. Why did we have this surname? Oh, 2 Agastya. Okay. So Agastya and Riyansh, are you all ready? ये yes सुनाई दिया सबको? किसी yes Yadna, Ivanshika. Can we have the parent? Oh my God, look at these kids. All set to fly. And we have for this a special person from the Tata Group, JRD Tata, जिनको हम सब जानते हैं कि उन्हें उड़ान बहुत पसंद थी. He started India's first airline, which later became Air India. But flying was just one of his dreams. He also made cars, trucks, and started Tata Consultancy Services to help India grow in the technology. JRD cared about people too, making sure workers had good jobs and fair treatment. He also loved music and arts and supported big projects for culture. He showed everyone how to reach for the skies and make big dreams come true. Let's watch how JRD Tata made India fly high. And ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. All the parents, जिनके बच्चे रो रहे हैं, please join your kids here on stage. Dikshant, Lian, Mahira, Navya, Pratyush, Shivam, Viraj, Riya and Maisha. They had a good working conditions, fair pay and happy lives. He believes that when workers are treated well, they work better and feel proud of their jobs. He helped create rules that protected workers and made them feel important. उन्हीं की सोच थी जहां टाटा वो जगह बना जिधर लोग काम करना पसंद करते हैं। चलिए देखते हैं कैसे नवल टाटा ने फैक्ट्रीज में एक खुशी का माहौल हर एक के लिए क्रिएट किया। जब आप उस जगह को जहां काम करते हैं उसे पसंद करते हैं, काम को एंजॉय करते हैं, you don't work but you soar high. And the nursery afternoon batch 1 is here to show how Tatas gave wings to the common workers fly high. We have with us on stage Riyansh, Devansh, Rudransh, Kiara, Anvi, Vihan, Vedant, Prashant, Prisha and Abir. And ready. but not the last performance of the day. And we are talking about Noel Tata, a man who helped bring cool stores like Westside and Zudio to India. अपने कल्याण में कितने Zudio के स्टोर खुल गए हैं? Any idea? एक? बहुत सारे, मैम बोल रही बहुत सारे, सबसे शॉपिंग कर लिया है. He definitely made shopping fun and easy for families by not just giving them quality clothes but toys and more. बहुत मेहनत की उन्होंने ये इंश्योर करने that लोग good quality, good price में कहीं पे भी बैठ के enjoy कर सके. And Noel also helped Tata become known all around the world. He wanted to make sure everyone, no matter where they lived, could find something special in Tata store. Let's celebrate the man who made shopping better and brought Tata to every home. Presenting the modern and bold face of the Indian youth who walks in with confidence and grace. And here before you, the junior KG batch 2 to show modern, confident and trending India. The face of Indian youth refined by the Tatas exhibits swag in every move. And we have Arnab, Athar, Maithili, Manya, Rajshri, Shachi, Shakya and Sumed. Can we give a big round of applause? बहुत swag से आने वाले ये बच्चे. ठीक है, तो ये ऐसे ही एंटर नहीं मारेंगे. Can we have a big round of applause for the next models in making? हाँ? Wardrobe malfunction भी हो गया हमारा, ठीक है?
There's something I want to say about this batch and a few kids. So, she's Manya. Her mother recently delivered a baby boy. She's in Bombay. This girl has come all the way from Bombay so that she does not miss out on the dance performance. Manya's daddy, wherever you are, thank you so much. She's Sachi. Sachi, come here, please. Sachi's mother recently delivered a baby boy. She is just recovering, but her family has managed to get her here. So, Sachi's parents and family, wherever you are, thank you so much. And then, of course, this handsome gentleman here. It was his birthday yesterday. The parents came back at 12:30, but they managed to get him here. And Shakya's mother has been a darling. She has been taking care of इन दोनों की मम्मी. So Shakya's mother would come to pick up 3 children. She would be like, Shakya दे दो, मान्या को दे दो, और सची को भी दे दो. मैं नीचे लेके जाती हूँ. And the expectant mothers would wait down. So thank you so much, ma'am. This is what a team is all about. Thank you, parents. You are lovely. I cannot even put it in words how blessed I am to have parents like you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Please collect your award from this side, everyone. Thank you. How many grandparents are here? कितने दादा दादी नाना नानी यहाँ पर हैं? हाथ उठाएंगे. हाँ, जल्दी से हाथ उठाओ, इसके पहले कि लाइट बंद हो, वरना फिर मुझे दिखाई नहीं देता. We have lot of grandparents ना? Amazing. चलो, आप grandparent हो? आप grandparent हो मैम, सच में? ऐसे झूठ नहीं बोलना है. Complex हो रहा है अभी यहाँ खड़े होके, okay? It's really not a good feeling, but we have something special for all of you. हमारे लिए special है, आपके लिए पता नहीं क्या है. Because I'm sure you all know, Ratan Tata, definitely we all know, like, सबने उन्हें बहुत प्यार किया, and he also loved everybody. But एक रिश्ता था रतन टाटा जी का एक ऐसे व्यक्ति के साथ जो पूरे भारत में बहुत मशहूर हुआ है, right? Which is with the 5th generation Tata employee Shantanu Naidu. How many of you know Shantanu Naidu? See, that's the power, right? And इनके जो दोस्ती थी वो इनके animal love की वजह से हुई थी. But this did not stop there. Of course, Tata invested a lot, Ratan ji invested a lot in Shantanu, and mostly when he supported his noble initiative, जो कि था अकेले रहते हुए उन senior citizens के लिए companionship provide करना through the Good Fellow initiative. And of course, Ratan Tata being Ratan Tata, he even gave away his stake to Shantanu to take care of it. And we want to celebrate this unique bond that Ratan Tata had till the last breath with Shantanu, and we want all our grandparents to please come on stage and let's have some good masti with over music. Grandparents, अभी जितनों ने हाथ उठाएगा सबको आना पड़ेगा स्टेज में. Come on, मैम आपको तो सबसे कि आज ग्रैंडमदर, देखो मैम आ गए, अभी खुद उठ जाइए जल्दी. Kiara's grandmother, बच्चे लोग हाँ उधर से. Vidushi's grandparent, मैम come on, take the stage, पूरा स्टेज आपका है.
मैम बोल रहे अंकल भी है, अंकल को भी बुलाओ. अंकल को भी बुलाओ. किधर है अंकल? आ रहे आइए. अब आना पड़ेगा.
हमें एक जन बोल रहे मेरा पार्टनर किधर है, दिखता नहीं है. मैम किसको बुलाना बताइए. देख रहे हैं.
Parents, I know your kids love the grandparents, but kids को please नीचे ले लीजिए. Kiara, Ayansh, please down on the stage. Get out from the stage, children. Please. Ayansh, Kiara.
I am just loving the introduction जो मुझे दादियाँ और नानियाँ दे रही हैं अपने अपने हस्बैंड के बारे में. जो व्हाइट बाल वाले हैं ना,
हाँ व्हाइट बाल वाले
वो आ रहे हैं. व्हाइट बाल वाले वो आ रहे हैं. I love that. Are we ready?
Okay, can we the rest of the grandmothers come a little forward? Yes.
नहीं अभी तो फिर आप उसके बाद आपको जो करना आप कर सकते हैं, पूरा स्टेज आपका है। पीयूष सर कहाँ है?
Piyush sir is right here. पहले तो I want the entire crowd sitting on that side to applaud for the crowd on this side. Because it requires a lot of guts to come here on the stage alone. And they have not just come, they are going to do something for us. Sahat, can you please go down? Yes sir, please come, please come. Namaste sir, namaste. Sahat, get down, get down. So he is Arani's grandfather, the one who was in Love You Zindagi in the center. We need to salute the spirit of these young people standing here. All these young people standing here. The cheer needs to be louder. कहीं ऐसा ना हो मैं ये crowd को cheer करने बोलूं और आप लोग डर जाओ. So better यहाँ से loud cheer पहले आ जाए.
Whistle if you can. Superb. Are you ready?
Yes, we are ready.
And we are expecting आप सभी से एक बहुत ही खास सरप्राइज प्रेजेंटेशन, परफॉर्मेंस फॉर योर किड्स।
How many of you want to see your parents perform?
बच्चा लोग,
I'm sure they can do it better than you. Much better than you.
हाँ मैम डांस करना है। वो बाजू में पूछ रहे क्या परफॉर्म करना है?
अंकल दादू से दादू आ गए गेट रेडी हाँ रेडी मेरे क्या गाइस दादू से वसीम
बच्चे कैसे इतना बढ़िया परफॉर्म करते हैं। हाँ, फिर अभी अपने पेरेंट्स को कलेक्ट कीजिए, फटाफट से अपने पेरेंट्स के पास जाके बैठ जाइए। 1 सेकेंड, यस, फोटोग्राफ शोइंग। हाँ, अभी हम ग्रुप फोटो के लिए खड़े हो सकते हैं। छोटे बच्चे आगे, बड़े बच्चे पीछे। important instruction, right? अपनी अपनी हाइट देखिए, छोटे छोटे बच्चे आगे आ जाइए, जो थोड़े बड़े बच्चे हैं वो पीछे। वो सर अपना कंफर्टेबल बोलते हैं, मुझे कहीं भी खड़ा कर दो, मैं नजर। देखने में तो बहुत मजा आता है, नो। ये तालियां रुक क्यों गई? अपने अपने बच्चों को लेने के लिए कोई आया नहीं है? ये भी बच्चे परफॉर्म करके आ रहे हैं। थैंक यू सो मच पीयूष सर। All right, by the time we are getting the stage ready for our next performance, we have something special. This performance is special. I'll tell you the reason why. But we are talking about once again J.R.D. Tata, a man who loved music, dance and art. उनका मानना था कि ये चीजें हमारे देश में सभी लोगों को बहुत खुश और मजबूत बनाती हैं। उन्होंने NCPA, जो कि नेशनल सेंटर फॉर परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स है, उसके क्रिएशन में योगदान दिया। अ स्पेशल प्लेस जहां लोग परफॉर्मेंसेस देख सकते हैं। और आज हमारे बीच पीयूष सर के स्टूडेंट्स, पीयूष राउत इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स, विच इज ऑल्सो नोन एज प्रिपा, J.R.D. टाटा के इसी प्यार को जो आर्ट एंड म्यूजिक की तरफ से था, वो दर्शाने आ रहे हैं। They are going to perform and celebrate the dream of making art a big part of our lives. So, can we wait and give a big round of applause for all these beautiful performers who are ready? And look how dazzling they are looking. By the time our youngest members are getting down from the stage and our next performers are getting ready, parents, I hope सभी लोग enjoy कर रहे हैं। इतना शांत हो गया, सब अपने अपने पेरेंट्स के आने का वेट कर रहे हो ना। बच्चों के आने में कोई इतनी ईगरली वेट नहीं कर रहा था। चलो, लेट मी आस्क अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। सभी ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स अब जगह पे पहुंच गए? सभी के पेरेंट्स आज फिर पूछना बनता है, इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट। जिसने अपने पेरेंट्स को ऐसे करके भेजा था, सब पहुंच गए पास में? ओके, परफेक्ट। एंड वी हैव द नेक्स्ट परफॉर्मर्स रेडी। On stage we have Jia, Adhyay, Ruvin and Vihan. Can we give them a big round of applause? Varsha, Maya, Sujata, Amita, Veena, Deval, Naina, Nanda, Rashika, Rohini, Savita, Varsha and Vishaka. Give them a big round of applause, everybody. देखते देखते हम भी अपने प्रोग्राम के आखिरी चरण पर पहुंच गए हैं। टाटास ने हमारे देश को बहुत कुछ दिया, गाड़ियां, फैक्ट्री, हॉस्पिटल, स्कूल, बहुत एक पहचान दिलाई है देश को। हर एक टाटा लीडर की अपनी क्वालिटी थी, हर एक टाटा लीडर का अपना विजन था, जो हर समय हर वक्त इस देश की प्रगति के लिए अग्रसर था। And same way we believe that each one of us can cultivate, can build that vision and work towards a future where we promise India and the world to be better and better. And to celebrate this unison, to celebrate this legacy of Tatas, we have one final performance for all of you. Any guesses किसका performance है ये? जो हमारे visionaries है, right? हमारे teachers जो हर रोज अपनी तरफ से पूरा contribution करते हैं to make sure that future of our country is secure, that future of our country is going in the right direction. And for this, let us give a big, big, big round of applause as we welcome on stage all our teachers. Teachers, are you ready? Teachers नहीं आ रहे, तालियां नहीं बज रही हैं. See, they are not coming. अच्छा, आरती मैम inform कर रही है, they are not coming. Claps नहीं सुनाई दे रहे हैं. Teachers को ने अपने बच्चों के लिए तालियां बजा दी, हम नहीं आ रहे हैं. Are you all ready?
Basically, the kids are all running around, they are going outside the auditorium. Parents, please ensure that your kids are with you. We handed over the kids to you so that they don't suffocate at the back while you enjoy. So please make sure that your kids are with you, please. It's a request. Alright, so vote of thanks के लिए time नहीं मिलता है annual show में free school के because बच्चे भाग रहे हैं, parents को भागना है. I know what is happening, but then there is something that I wish to speak before we all disperse. How many of you know the meaning, the true definition of what a backbone is? So we basically are erect and we are able to stand proud and walk because of our backbone. My backbone and my heart, they are out. I don't have my backbone within my body. I have my backbone and my heart outside my body in the form of this brilliant gem of a person, Piyush Rahul. No words can sum up what he means to me. No words can sum up what he means for the learning of preschool. Last 1 month, not well, on medication. He has been working round the clock, training your children. 100 plus students have performed on this stage today. All choreographed and all mentored by only and only Piyush Rahul. Apart from that, not to forget editing the songs, choosing the songs, finalizing the costumes, guiding the teachers for the prop, keeping his cool, and making sure that a smooth and fantastic performance is put up. I'm the one who loses her head and he's the one who keeps us cool, and that is what makes us us. Thank you parents for being a wonderful audience, and thank you Piyush, I know what you mean to me. Thank you, I love you too. Don't we love him? Yes! Okay, and a special mention to a few more people who have come here to my aid. My friend Mr. Prem Nair, who had travelled all the way from Borivali, somewhere here. You can wave out to this handsome looking gentleman here. Then we have Sri Kumar Nair. I don't know where he is, but somewhere here. Sri Kumar, he is right there. He has been helping us in and out. Of course, Ritvika ma'am is there. Kalpesh sir from Kalyan West Center, busy recording us, but you can wave out to the crowd. Yes. And then of course my family, of course Piyush sir ka family, of course all of our wonderful Sassy Divas. I love you. I believe I have said this earlier, but still, I love you. And then not to forget my parents, my children, the auditorium, Mr. Joseph, I don't know where he is, somewhere around. Mr. Joseph for giving us this auditorium, bearing up with our nonsense always. And one wonderful gentleman who is standing here from the team of, sir, I want you to be here. I was wondering who this person is. He has been helping the children climb up the stairs and get down from the stairs. That is when I asked him, sir, I've gone home. So he told me I am a staff member. Thank you so much sir for all your help. Thank you. And then of course my entire team. So I would like to name everyone. Last year एक teacher दूसरा हुई थी कि मेरा नाम नहीं लिया था stage पे. So to begin with we have Sushma ma'am who has done all the props. We have Suchitra ma'am who basically has 4 batches performing here on the stage. We have Sonal who has recently joined us but handled the playgroup kids really well. Along with Sonal, we have Usha ma'am who handles the playgroup children wonderfully and beautifully. And then we have Neha ma'am who takes care of senior KG. Neha ma'am, you know how much I love you for managing my senior KG kids. And then we have Sheetal ma'am who has recently joined us and who has taken care of a lot of work including the front office. And then we have Drishti ma'am again who is a college student but then she manages her studies as well as the whole show. And we have Vaibhav sir here, sitting here. मेरी गालियाँ डांट सब खा रहा है ये बच्चा बेचारा. Sir, आ जाओ stage पे आ जाओ, please come. And Vaibhav sir, of course, is he has a selfish interest in working with the learning curve. His wife also works with us. Sonal is his wife. Sonal की बस टाइम नहीं करेगा. वो जगह बनने के पहले ही खड़ी है. नहीं आ जाओ. So this is the wonderful team of the learning of preschool that you have with us. Jayashri Didi, I missed out Jayashri Didi. Where is she? One of the Didi is not well, so she could not turn up. But then we have Jayashri Didi who hardly says anything, who works with us. Masi को आप सब जानते हैं. Masi is not well, so she could not come for the show. Jayashri Didi, I want you here on the stage. Yes. So these many people handle your 100 odd kids. Thank you so much, parents. And of course, I also want to thank the videographer and photographer who have been putting up with all our nonsense and covering all of us. Thank you so much. And now, thank you teachers. You can resume your duty. That's right, all of you. Now I request Jennifer ma'am and Sonali ma'am to come on the stage. They have been generous enough to get some gifts for our kids as a token of appreciation. So I want both of you to be here on the stage and I want the kids quickly to line up there. I want Suchitra ma'am and Sheetal ma'am to be at the door and guide the children as they walk up the stage, collect their prize. Yes. And the teachers here, you can quickly hand over the gifts one by one. Thank you so much, ma'am. So we are quickly calling the children. I am not going by any order. Let them come by this side. Okay, first we can have junior KGIB. Okay, so first we can have the up and down. Yes, come. Please, Adya, I'll call out the names. Adya, we have Adya here, Adya Vegod. We have Rukmir here, say hi. Say hi. Collect your gifts from man. Teachers, quickly. No particular order. Parents, please keep on sending your kids. No particular order. All the boxes are the same gifts.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। अपने संग तुझको वहाँ जन्नत से मुलाकात हो, पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ, आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। गुजरे ऐसी हर रात रात, हो ख्वाहिशों से बात बात, आशाएं लेकर सूरज से आग आग, गाए जा अपना राग राग, आशाएं कुछ ऐसा करके दिखा, खुद खुश हो जाए खुदा।